Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see our products and hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. He's gonna unpack these new products. This is an appliance you can use for saving money. You can also use it for charging your mobile phone. This is a brush you can use for your hair. It's a silicone brush. This is a small towel you can use in the bathroom. This is a shelf you can use for vegetables and fruits. And this is a box you can use for cutlery. This is a cutter you can use for cutting vegetables and fruits. It's really helpful. This is another cutter. It's really amazing. This is a box where you can put chopsticks and other items like spoons in the kitchen. This is a grinder you can use for garlic and or meat. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is a brush you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is a box you can use for organizing your clothes. This is a small trash bin you can use at home. This is a brush you can use for cleaning your sandals or sneakers. This is another shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. And this is an electric file you can use for your feet. We've got these items you can use for your toilet. These are plastic bags you can use for trash. This is a brush you can use for cleaning ceiling and walls. It's really helpful. This is another appliance you can use for charging your mobile phone and saving money. This is another apartment. We'll see the products in. This is a box where you can put wipes or toilet paper. All we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.